Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see what is SQL join, how many types of SQL join are there, and what is the use of SQL join. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. So let's get started with this video. SQL join is a statement which is used to join records, which is used to join data from two or more tables. Suppose there are two tables, table 1 and table 2. You want the output from both the tables or you want to analyze the data from both the table in such a way that the output should be in a single table so that you can analyze the data very easily. In that case, what you will do, you will apply the join operation on both the tables so that your output will be in a single table and you can analyze both the table also. So there are four different type of SQL joins are there: inner, left, right and full. Or you can say inner join, left out, left join, right join and full join. Now we will see each and every type of SQL join and we'll understand them with the help of Venn diagram. First of all, we will see what is inner join. So suppose there are two tables, table 1 and table 2. So when you apply inner join on both the tables, then you will get the common data. Like suppose table 1 contain record 1 2 3 4 5 and table 2 contain record 1 2 3. So when you apply inner join, then you will get the records 1 2 and 3 only, the common records only you will get. So this circle will show the common records, and this is the table 1 and this is the table 2. So when you apply inner join, you will only get the common records. So you can also read over here, SQL inner join are used to join the data or records of two or more tables based on the matching value of both the tables. So if both the values are matched, then only it will print or it will filter out the records. Now we will see what is left join. In left join, there are two tables, table 1 and table 2. So you will get output based on the left join. Like the left table, you will get the whole data and it will filter out the whole data of table 1 and the common records also. Or in SQL language, you can see that SQL left join is used to return all data or records from table 1 plus match record of table 2. So it will like table 1 is a 1 2 3 4 5 and table 2 is 1 2 3. So we will get output of 1 2 3 4 5 and the match record, that is 1 2 3. So you will get the data or records from table 1 plus the match record of table 2. So in this way, left join will work. Now we are going to see what is right join. It is just a vice versa of left join. In left join, we will select the left table, but in right join, we will select the right table. So you will get data or record from table 2 plus match record from table 1. If no match, the result from the right will be null. So this is the same, this is just a vice versa of left join. You will get the whole output of table 2 and it will match the table 2 with table 1, and if any data is matched, then it will filter out that data also. Now we will see what is full outer join. In full outer join, it will return all the data or records when match occur in table 1 and table 2. So full outer join in, you will get the records of table 1 also and records from table 2 also and the match data also. So 1 2 3 4 5 is a table 1 records and 1 2 3 is a table 2 record. So what you will get 1 2 3 4 5 from table 1 and 1 2 3 from table 2 and the match record, that is 1 2 3. So that will filter out based on that condition only. So in this video, I have explained you the basic regarding join, how join operation work. Now we will see one basic example through which you can understand how join operation work. We are currently in localhost PHP myadmin. As you can see in LFC, there is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 records. In LFC user, there is a 0 1 and 2 record. So 0 record is not present in LFC, so it will not filter based on that 0. Only it will check for first and 2, and 1 and 2 is present over here. So we will see how join work. Now I have written a basic query of join operation where select star from LFC, like it will select all the record from LFC and join LFC users. So it will select the all the columns from LFC users also on LFC ID equals to LFC user from ID. Like it will check if ID is matched, then only it will filter out the record. So when I go with this query, you can see that only two IDs that is matched from LFC and LFC user, that is ID 1 and ID 2, and it will print all the columns because we haven't selected any column, we have used select star. So it will select ID, last name, first name, age from LFC users, and ID, first name, last name, age, city and income from LFC, and based on that ID equals to 1 and ID equals to 2, it will filter out the records. So now you can analyze the records of LFC and LFC users both at one time. So in this way join operation will work. In our next coming videos I will going to explain you what is left join, what is right join, what is self join, what is full outer join. So for this video, this is it. This is a basic video regarding join operation, how join operation work in MySQL. The join operation is basically used to analyze the data, or if you want the output based on the two or more tables, then join operation will work. You can try apply this functioning in your localhost phpMyAdmin and it will clear your concept. It is join operation are very helpful in your database learning and in your database career, and you are going to use join operation very much. So for this video, this is it. If you haven't liked this video, please like this video, comment your thought, what you think about this video. If you haven't shared this video, please share this video with your friends, with everyone who wants to learn MySQL. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. We'll see you in our next video.